Introducing One Subject Notebooks by Brustro, the Notes series, available in 5 beautiful colors. Our A5 size notebooks are crafted with a durable waterproof PP cover, rounded corners, matching wire binding. These notebooks are built to withstand whatever life throws at them. Experience the joy of writing on our 70 GSM ivory smooth paper that's resistant to smudging and feathering. Our micro-perforated sheets makes it a breeze to tear them out. Keep loose papers organized with the convenient PP pocket. Express your style with a splash of color. But that's not all. Introducing the Inspire series, featuring a velvety paper cover in black and grey. Elevate your sophistication with the golden embossed logo, secure elastic band closure, and marching wire for a cohesive look. Enjoy the luxury of 70 GSM micro-perforated sheets. Upgrade your note-taking experience because your ideas deserve the best.